The bird of paradise. The bird that dances as if it were a star in a show. In the depths of the tropical forests hides a remarkable bird, its colors like a rainbow, and its movements as if it were a star on stage. It is the bird of paradise, the bird that has astounded scholars and enchanted all who have witnessed it. Amazing facts about the bird of paradise. Where does it live? The bird of paradise lives in New Guinea and some nearby islands. There are dense forests and tall trees, and it loves quiet places. What distinguishes it? The male has long feathers, colored in vibrant hues like red, blue, green, and yellow, and performs captivating dances to attract the female. Does the female resemble it? No. The female is simple in form, and her feather color is brown, so she can hide and protect her young. Are all birds of paradise similar? No, there are more than 40 species, and each species has its own unique shape and dance. What does it eat?